What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning. Camera's acting a little funky today. Something's wrong with my gimbal, I think. Oh no. What happened here? It's working fine yesterday on Top Step. Andrew, did you mess with my camera? I'm wondering. What's going on, guys? How many of y'all caught me yesterday on Top Step TV Fast Markets? That was an experience. I went there with good faith, man, like I do everything. I always go with good faith. It turned out all right in the end, but got a little rocky. It got a little rocky there. It got a little rocky. But don't you worry. Tomorrow, 11 a.m., new video drops. And we're going to recap what happened on Top Step TV Fast Markets yesterday. And I think you guys are going to enjoy the video very much. Because why wouldn't you? Yesterday, I had a bunch of traders reach out to me. And they were like, damn, man, I'm really sorry that happened to you. Talked to a bunch of different traders. Small names, big names. A lot of people reached out. I was actually surprised about the amount of people who actually saw what happened and was radio silent, though, at the same time on social media. Why won't you guys mention my name? All right, guys, so it's looking like we're going to keep grinding upward here today. Look at that crazy 3-minute candle on the NQ to start the morning. What the freaking hell is that? From 24.030 to 24.063, like this. Yeah, Gustavo. That's what it felt like, right? Or Gustavo? Yeah, Gustavo. I didn't even want to talk about any of that. I wasn't there for that. That's not what I was invited for. But 'tis what it is. They brought it up. I asked, do you want me to talk about it? I was like, I gave plenty of outs. And you'll see, I'll cover them all in tomorrow's video. I gave him plenty of outs to not talk about that live on air. Because, you know, I'm a guest. I'm a guest in your house. I'm not there to rock the boat. I'm a guest. You know what I mean? It's called decorum. Tushar, we're doing good, man. Thank you. How are you? Kid's all better. I don't even think she's coughing anymore. My sore throat is a lot better, but it's still there. You can probably hear my voice a little raspy. What's going on, Samson, Kevin, Tevin, The Beast, Traders, Bobby, Traders Den? What's going on, guys? Good to see you in here. Glad to see The Beast in there holding it down. Prabhu, what's up? Ali, what's going on, guys? Yo, what's going on, Andrew? Guys, you can hear the music all right? What's up, JB? Anthony, what's up? Joel's in the house. What's up, man? Haven't seen you in a minute. 4 and 6 traders in the house. He said we can start now, and start we will. Oh, my payouts. Yesterday I put in for... So yesterday while I was on Top Step TV, I traded my Top Step Live account. That thing's on life support as it is. So I only trade 1 micro on it. Made 80 bucks on it. I was like, all right, bet. Let's see if we can get this thing back up to a decent balance where I can get a little bit fancy. And then I traded off camera my Take Profit Trader accounts and my Funded Future account. Take Profit Trader, I posted the P&Ls yesterday, made 900 bucks and change on one account, made over 1,000 bucks on another account. And then on my Funded Futures, made like 250 something bucks. So last night I put in for 2 payout requests at Take Profit Trader before I went to bed. 900 bucks out of one account, 1,100 bucks out of another account for $2,000 payout request. That was already approved. It's in my wallet. Haven't withdrawn it yet because, well, we had to dive into work here, and I was slightly late today. Guys, remember to smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, but definitely smash that like button. It really helps out tremendously. So, you know, after the 80-20 split with Take Profit Trader, $1,600 into my pocket for yesterday's efforts. Not a bad way to get it done. Ever since last week Thursday, I've been taking payouts daily out of Take Profit Trader. Look, I'm not gonna be here like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make $1,000 every single day this week. Maybe I will. That'd be nice, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can, take the setups, put the money in the pocket, and then move on and try to, you know, get some payouts. But for now, you know, we're just looking to trade, see what we can get done. I mean, new all-time highs all around. This thing is vicious right now. This thing is really vicious right now. So it's kind of hard to get long. It's very difficult to get short. But we'll see what we can get done here. Some scalps. T. Cooper. Andrew saying, guys, share the stream on social media. So Andrew is saying it, and that is really nice of him. Guys, remember, today we're giving away at least 3 accounts. We're going to be giving away an Apex code. You guys, you know, can pick whatever size account you want with it. We're going to be giving away a Trade Day account and a Take Profit Trader account. We might do more. It just depends. So what we're going to do today is the Trade Day account is going to go to the person in chat who has the #1 next to their name with their little crown. That means you're the #1 chatter. You got first place, second place, and third place. And first place is going to take home the grand prize, an end of day 50K Trade Day account today. So by the end of the stream, whoever's in first place will get that. Right now, Trader's Nest is leading the pack in first place. You got Bobby in third. Not sure who's in second. Let me double check here. Well, the top fan thing isn't working, so I can't click it and see. Yep, can't click it and see, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, whoever's in second place, you know, get on it. The B saying, don't fiddle in the middle, guys. And then the rest of the stuff is probably going to be done through games and maybe some random picking. Right now, it is 9:38 a.m. and we're just trading sideways here so far. Bro, why is my camera's gimbal not working? It was working perfectly fine yesterday. I can't even manually move it. It's like the gimbal took a crap. Wonder what's up with that. Well, it'll be something to look into later. Might have to return it. Yo, can you guys hear the music? I think it went away. Oh, look at that pullback. So right now we've established some resistance at 24.070 zone. These candles are pretty sizable. You got yourself some 20-point candles here. Not bad. Yo, Tevin up $465 to start the morning. Let's freaking go. Seems all these little flash dips get bought right back up, but one of them is going to give up. Like, one of them will eventually drop. We should get down to 2,400, maybe even lower. How much am I up? I haven't even started trading yet. Time is it? 9:40. It's early. Whoop, got a phone call I gotta take, guys. And back. I thought it might have been the shop. I'm getting quotes for new motors for my boat. Time to get rid of these V8 Verados, 300 horsepower. We're gonna stay with 300 horsepower, but we're gonna go with Suzuki this time, and we're gonna go with some really nice motors. Like, the paint job on these things are really nice. More importantly, they're more reliable than Suzuki. I'm sorry, than frickin' Verados. Andre, doing good, man. How about you? Trader's Nest, drop it down to the micros if you think you're about to lose the account. Rebuild it. Don't just give up. Don't YOLO it. We need that coffee, the beast. We need that Cuban coffee. My Cuban wife is in the kitchen making some Cuban coffee, and she's going to bring it pretty soon, I hope. So we topped out in that 70 zone. We're pulling it back in. You know, I'm actually going to be... I'm gonna be a little wild today. I might look for a U-shaped pattern for an attempted breakout of that 70 zone. See if it rejects, and I might get short. I would prefer to wait for 24,100. Because I think that round number would be better, but you never know. We'll be keeping it tight, and we'll be taking profits off rather quickly like I did yesterday. Where is Jerry? Jerry, are you out there? They really are, Tevin. They're very hard to trade. Yesterday's trading was much easier in the early part of the morning. So that first, 2 hours were rather easy to trade. I called out some crazy levels yesterday on Top Step TV. They were to the penny, bro. It felt like it was crazy. I called the resistance zone for the short. I caught a piece of that. Then I called a piece of the bottom, which was that 25 zone for the bounce back up. And damn it, if every single call I made yesterday on there wasn't picture perfect. I got no love for it though. Four and six trader, nope. All right, so we came down to 30 zone. We're trying to bounce off of that level now. Shut up, Harry. No way that's possible. I'm going to go check right now. I don't believe it. If so, then tomorrow's video is about to blow up huge. Because I have it recorded. There's no way. I don't believe it. Nah, it's there, man. Oh, no, that's not it. There's no way, bro. I don't. Ah, that's fine. That thing's got peanuts in it. That account's on live support. No, it's there, man. I'm watching it. I was like, no way. I'm watching it. It's there. You gotta go to the one that was 17 hours ago. Yeah, it's still up. It should be up, man. Look, one of the things that I can say is that even though I've been, I mean, hell, man, look, I'm gonna make a video next week where I think all the firms are gonna be kind of PO'd at me, and not really, they shouldn't, and especially the ones I'm partnered with, they're gonna appreciate it because they all know where they need to improve. But Top Step, you know, despite me being vocal on X and on YouTube about their fails, I've also been, you know, up until recently, I've been very supportive of the good. I've traded with them and I've gotten good payouts out of it, and I've never had an issue. They even sent me the hat the other day. Like on that side of the spectrum, very professional. I haven't had any issues with them letting me trade, getting me my payouts. Hell, even getting me my hat, even though it's months and months late. I haven't had any issues. You know, now, as far as one-on-one scenarios with different people, like Dakota on X, always talking bullshit about sim traders. Like he the other day, he was talking some bullshit about it on X, about sim traders and that, oh, what does it call them? Simfluencers. What a fucking joke. Like, honestly, like, what? Like, if you're gonna say, then he comes out on X and he pretends that, oh, it's just because, you know, I mean about these guys like that they pretend that they make millions and they buy Lambos. Yeah, I get that. Hell, I go after those guys too, right? But what I don't do is I don't jumble everybody in the same boat. I don't. And then I called them out on X and I said, hey, so if that's the case, you need to draw a line and make that statement, make it so that it's different, because there's a lot of traders out there who spend years on sim funded phases and they make money, right? They make money. I've made more money this year on sim funded than I did all last year on my own personal live account, right? So I was like, I called them out on that. Didn't reply. Zero, goose eggs, crickets. You know why? Because it's about engagement. He's just trying to draw up drama for engagement. It's just a different drama from that of bigger names in the industry. From that, you know, different drama from mine that I partake in. It's just different drama that he partakes in. He makes it look like he's the good guy. You know, he's like, I'm not doing drama. I'm just a good old little boy. Bullshit. You know, that's what it is. Every firm should accept constructive criticism. Every single firm. I accept constructive criticism of my channel. The only thing that I've ever said to anybody that has criticized something on my channel was that they said I wasn't professional. And you're right, I'm not professional on my channel because it's a YouTube channel that's not meant to be professional. It's not meant to be. I'm freaking wearing a trade they have with a flat bill. And I don't really even like flat bills, but this one kind of grew on me, to be honest. This thing has my name somewhere on the side, like I'm a freaking NASCAR driver. Somewhere here, I think, right? You see a freaking bunk bed because I'm in my Keys house where it's all about putting as many beds as I can in these rooms so that when family's over, I can fit everybody. You know, like you don't see my, you know, really nice background or anything because it's not professional, but it's a YouTube channel that's not meant to be professional. Firms should conduct themselves more professionally. In other words, it's like rules of engagement, you know? It's the same thing. Each business has different rules of engagement with its audience. Exactly, JB. Andrea, absolutely. Absolutely. Because the problem for me, right, is not a problem. The problem with me would be that I'm always ready. I've been in the business world for almost 20 years. Almost. Something like 18 years, I want to say. And I've gotten stabbed in the back plenty of times throughout those years, and I've learned my lesson. So anytime I go into anything, I go in, bro, I give everybody the benefit of the doubt. You know, hell, you've even seen me and Patrick go at it once on X. I give everybody the benefit of the doubt, but I'm always ready with my own knife. I'm always ready. you know, and you always get the nice, very respectful Jesse, because there's rules of engagement, you know. And yesterday we almost reached one where I almost went on tilt for a second, and not trading. You know, we almost got to that point. And I go over it in tomorrow's video. You'll see it. Of course, there's nothing wrong with sim-funded traders, because this is to make money. We're not here for gold stars. I've always said it. Oh, just got an alert here. My AMD leap that I bought after AMD's earnings is up 20% still. Very nice. Take that. I want to get long this thing so bad here at 40. I got a little bit of trust issues right now with these all-time highs, man. This thing could slam down 100 points in 6 minutes and then recover it in 15. But yeah, Andrea, I would go back. I have no problem going back. It's fun, you know, like the start of the stream was fun. Then we had that awkward moment. Then after that, it was fun again, you know, and I can always set aside differences. JB says, Sim has totally helped me get to where I am at without losing my house. Yo, Trader's Nest is still in first place in chat, guys. Are you guys going to let him win that trade day 50K end of day account? Yeah, just set up your own live account and trade it. But if you're profitable, zero reason to stop trading the props. Why would you stop? The ROI is absolutely insane. Have you not seen my recent video that I posted, I think 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago? How I turned 500 bucks and changed into 42,000 in 90 days in payouts. The ROI is stupid. It's ridiculous. Oh, but 1099, so what? You're gonna pay taxes anyways. Keep trading your live account, your regular personal account, but trade those props. Trade those props. Yo, thanks a lot, Andrea. That's really kind of you to say. Appreciate that. Dre in the house. What's up, man? Just came to say what's up from the Caribbean. Let's go, man. What island are you on? I freaking love the Caribbean. Entire family was born in the Caribbean. I was born here though. That's right, JB. I wouldn't have it any other way, my man. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We gotta take this song off, bro. This thing's a little raunchy. I heard it out of my peripheral ear instead of vision. I was like, nope. Like, look, bro, this show ain't PG, much less G, but it sure as shit ain't rated XXX. Yeah, good lord, that song is horrible. It really does the beast. I wouldn't be surprised to see sideways action, maybe a scalp like 3, 4, 5 points, and that's about it. Blackberry says, Sim funded her personal account, make green money. That's what's up, my man. Oh, Trinidad? Nice, brother. Family's from Cuba. One of my favorite islands in the Caribbean is Roatan. Really nice place. Yeah, the no boss thing is it suits me well. I am my own boss. Screw that mess. I was really hoping this U shape would take a little bit longer to get towards 24,070 zone before maybe popping in a short. Would have worked out a little bit early, but oh my god. Oh my god, did somebody say something? That thing just keeps going. Belize is cool too. I like Belize, T. Cooper. It's not one of my favorites, but I'll go. Been there like 3 times. Actually, last cruise I went on Royal. I already booked another cruise for next year on Royal as well with a suite. That place was awesome. Oh, it's gonna be on Icon, so that's nice. Haven't been on Icon, but the last time I was in Belize, I don't think this last trip went to Belize. Or at least the previous time, which was last year, I went to Belize. I was on Carnival. The port they stopped at. Actually, there's a whole video. Oh, he didn't make it. My editor didn't include it, which kind of pissed me off. There was this one guy that's been there on the port in Belize for many years. I'm talking about a solid 10 years. Selling the same stuff, which is... and he carves them there in front of you. You see him working. He carves marlins and boats and all sorts of things out of wood. Dude is amazing. JV. Oh, you saw the video, Bobby? Oh, that's a really nice bounce back there on the SPY off of VWAP. We're getting a nice bounce back off at 24,000 level on the NQs. Would have been a nice scoop there for a dead cat bounce. Gotta go to RoyalCaribbean.com, Bobby. Just book it. This ain't free. I'm paying for these. Sure, I get a nice little discount, but you know. That I did. Yep, that's exactly correct, the beast. And not only that, increasing volume on the drop, but we can never underestimate the FOMO crowd. Never underestimate the FOMO crowd. I'm in nothing right now. I would have liked to have picked it up closer to 24,010. I have not, Andrea. It is 10 o'clock almost. We got a few seconds to 10. Guys, it should really end this Sunday. And that's Take Profit Traders 40% off with $0 activation fee. And then after your first payout request, if you didn't blow up the account, obviously, you get your refund back on your eval. So your eval is basically free. Link in chat, coupon code all caps JESSEW. Damn, I wonder if today's going to be like an exhaustion gap up day on the SPY. Man, if it does, it's going to get bloody. Just ain't right saying what's up, what's up, what's up. Oh, we got crude news at 10:30. If SPY cracks that VWAP, you got the 9 AMA right underneath it. Volume is slowing down. We're not seeing aggressive selling anymore. We're not seeing any aggressive buying. Could get a little choppy. Look at that crazy wick through 400, right back up into over 400. Crazy action there. If we stay under that 410 area, you could see some further downside, maybe into those 90s, probably 80s. So you probably might even see some panic start to come through. People freaking out. All-time highs. Let's take profit type of effect. You know what I mean? So gotta definitely watch out for that. Taking a piece of profit off there, putting my stop at break even on the remainder. Might get stopped out of that remainder. Only made 80 bucks. Whack. I have a feeling she's gonna dump there though. Damn, she's really fighting it. There it goes. Gonna watch and see if we get bounce backs into that resistance level. Right around that 10 zone. See how it acts for possible re-entry. Spy testing VWAP now. Gonna give it a flyer. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. I can switch locations on the map. Toss a dart and we go where it's at. Calculate the numbers, see the stats. Win, running fast. No back in the booth, go 40 love. Rifle on the clay, I can't be touched. With my fam, I made it out the mud. Pressure made a diamond in the rough. That's why I grind. I'm gonna take that quick 150 something bucks on there, times the 5 accounts. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. There's gonna be a lot of support there in that 90 zone. If it slices through it, we should see some panic, but I'd prefer to see a little bounce off of it. Give us something easier to short. Right now, it's not that easy. That was 1 mini per 5 accounts. So let's say one quick trade. I was looking for that quick flush through 90. It didn't give it to me. You see how we're still trying to hold it, and we're just whiplashing through that level. I think it's going to break. I don't know if it's going to break right now. There it is. I think if we break it, we flush it really hard. But, you know, it's freaking all-time highs, man. You know, they're not the easiest trade in the world. All right, guys. Are you ready for the first giveaway? If you are, smash that like button for me and type the number 1 in chat. Let me know you're ready. Let me know you're paying attention. Spy back to testing that VWAP zone. Looks like it wants to reclaim it. That 10 zone in jeopardy here on the cues. Next level of resistance going to be in that 20 zone. Where is my phone? All right, guys. So, first one's going to be right here. Click that link, go over to Apex, pick whatever account size you want, and use code, all caps, H7DEYEH8. That's H is, damn it, H and, fuck my life. H as in hotel, 7, D as in Delta, E as in Echo, Y as in yellow, E as in Echo, H as in hotel, and the number 8, all caps. Go get it. I'm deleting this from my phone, so I don't even know what it was anymore, so you better have copied it. Stutter Central, the beast. All right, so the SPY broke through VWAP, rejected, took it back. Now we're coming back down here to these 90s to test them. I was hoping we get a little push further into the 20 zone for that possible entry short, but it looks like maybe that 10 zone is the one that's going to hold resistance for now. We'll see. So far, 9 AMA holding support on the SPY in the 3-minute. Yo, sorry to hear that, Dre. We'll be doing a Take Profit Trader giveaway soon as well. I hear the coffee being made, the beast. I hear it. $90. Holding again. Yo, Trader's Nest got it. 300K Apex account with that code. Anybody else get one? You gotta get winner mentality, bro. It brings it. It comes. You'll be surprised how many times I put into a parking lot and I'm like, I'm gonna get a good spot, and bang, right there, front and center. 406 trader with 150K Apex. Traders Den got one as well. Nice, good stuff, guys. So 3 accounts already. Bam, good stuff. We're seeing a lot of tug of war here. We're seeing 90 support. We're seeing 10 area resistance. Nice little range here. Nice little bear flag formation. I think that 90 is going to break, man. If we get under 90, this thing should fly down. It should, if we can get under 90. It will dump and pump. It very well could. This is a big level, but that's why that 90 is key. That 90 needs to break in order for this thing to flush out. If it flushes out, it's going to be nasty. I think you're going to see a little brief panic selling, catching people off guard galore, if that 90 breaks. Because we got a long way down. Oh, no, no, no. Don't give in to FOMO. I couldn't keep reading what you wrote there. So I'm watching the chart, but I saw the word FOMO, that you're feeling FOMO. No, 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 no. If you're feeling FOMO, look away. Step away. Step away from the vehicle. Will 90s break here and finally give us that trap door that we've been waiting for? There she goes. Stop at break even on my ad here. Already booked some profits here. So already secured yet another payout request tonight from Take Profit Trader. Gonna try to let this one do a little bit of work. This is a big level here. If that 80 breaks, that's going to be a big one. I'm going to take it off right there at 83. 957 bucks on the day at Take Profit Trader. Booking another $1,000 payout today. What? What? And we still got more accounts to go trading. Oh shit, that wasn't Take Profit Trader. Damn it. That was My Funded Futures. Fuck. So I can't even take that payout today. Son of a bitch. Golly. I'm so excited. My life is a circus. Damn it. Yeah, can you imagine being mad because I made money? Damn it. So I mean, it's a funded account, it's money, it's my expert account, but I can't get a payout out of that today. I thought I was in Take Profit. Now I'm in Take Profit. No, and I was throwing size on there that I don't normally throw. On that expert account, I usually trade 1 or 2 minis, max. And I was in 4 minis there because I had 2, my initial entry, added 2 more on the break under 90. Oh, well, we'll see. We'll get a setup. I'm expecting this thing to flush out though. But since we're up at these all-time highs, it could get whiplashy. So there's no way I can just jump in short here to ride the rest of it, you know, the rest of the way down to my final targets. I'll have to wait for a setup. Andrea says, if you don't want the dollars, send them to my PayPal. It just would have been cool, you know. What is it? Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Today would have been the 5th day in a row of Take Profit Trader payouts. I mean, I still could technically take a payout today for 400 bucks, but I'd rather roll those 400 bucks on a trade and try to get myself, you know, another 600 bucks and then take a $1,000 payout tonight, or even a $500 payout. So who's in first place? Trader's Nest still in first place. Whoa, he's winning so far. That Trader's Trade Day account. So we still got Take Profit Trader accounts to go, though. Well, we're going to be doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account here pretty soon. I am smelling that Cuban coffee. All right, so 400 level. Gonna watch that 400 level. See if it wants to hold resistance leading into that 4.010 zone. Trader's Nest wondering if he can keep that first place all stream long. We're gonna find out. Tevin, we already gave one. We already did one giveaway, right? So we got the rest of the giveaways are gonna be winner based, either raffle game, not raffle, random, or trivia game, stuff like that. And the winners will be chosen as we go. Now, the first place chat winner for this, for the trade day account, that person will be chosen at the end of the stream, because we got to see who's in first place at the end of the stream. Andrea trying to speak it into existence, saying she's going to be the next winner. That's okay, Harry. There's never gonna be anything. I mean, they're trying to pinpoint it to like the penny, bro. 23,938. Imagine if there's a single trader out there. You might get lucky every so often. I know I have, right? But if you find yourself a trader out there that says that they can tell you where the bottom is, because I imagine that's what you mean by settlement. I know those are those fancy marketing words these furus use nowadays to sell you courses. And they tell you no, because I can pick it to the penny. That person's full of shit and they're trying to steal your money. Okay? It is zones. Where do I think the bottom on the day is? I would say the 23,900 zone, which would encompass about a 20 to 30 point zone. If we get underneath that, then the next support zone is going to probably be, and I think it's a safer bet, 23,850 through 23,800, a 50 point zone. All right, so I hope that clarifies that for you a bit. Really, BlackBerry? I didn't know. I didn't even know that was a thing. Like, I didn't know firms did that at all. But I guess, you know, since eventually they want to move you to live capital, it could be a requirement. All right, we're in a bit of a little situation here where you might see either a nice recovery over 410 or the next leg down, which should be a bigger leg in my opinion. It could be the final leg of the morning to the downside. Could be. And the jet fuel has arrived, guys. What's that? Cuban coffee, good sir. That is what that is. Andrew says he's bullish, so everybody gets short. I had to, Andrew. You know we had to, man. It's all in good fun. Samson, what's up, my man? See, the question here is, are we sucking in shorts for a rip face-off rally, or are we going to see profit taking start to take place? That's the real question. Andrea says, how do you deal with the trailing? I just build up a buffer. Once I get to my buffer, it's a static account. So once you get to $2,000 in a 50K account, it doesn't trail anymore. You can lose $2,000. What will Trump say? About what? Is he supposed to be talking here soon? Oh, looks like we're going to make that push into the 10s. At this point, if it does, and we break it, we might see that reversal and get shorts off guard here. SPY still underneath VWAP on the 3-minute chart, looking very lazy-like. Oh, we got a ways to go then before 11:15. All right, it's now or never, NQ. Which direction do you want to go? And will you take us to profit land? Put and stop on my runners at break even. I might regret it. It probably will stop me out. It just did. So, all in all, small $64 red trade right now. Because I trade one at a time, Tevin. There's been occasions where I'll have 2 trades going on at the same time. But you rarely will see me have more than 2 trades going on at the same time. So if I'm trading Take Profit Trader, I got a trade on here and Take Profit Trader. If I'm trading Apex, you would see it on the screen there. I got a trade on an Apex. Rarely do I have them both at the same time. It happens, you know, but it's because I can do it. Is I don't trade crazy, you know, 2-point scalps. You know what I mean? I'm trading a pattern. I'm trading a setup. So it'll allow me leeway there where there's price action that I can get in up here on my Apex. And then if I'm patient enough, I can get in down here over here on Take Profit. Man, if we make a new low here, that thing will be nuts. Jack, do you see my screen? Do you see that it has number 1s as bought and sold? That means you saw what I traded a little while ago when I traded there. Now, why can't you see my Take Profit account? Well, because it's on my MacBook Pro, which is not what I stream on. You'll see the P&L later today, and then you can choose to believe it or not, as well as all the payouts I've gotten since Thursday every single day out of Take Profit Trader. If we break this low here, this thing would be insane. There she goes. New low of day. Completely insane move, by the way. All of that rhymed, and it wasn't intentional. Will this sell continue? I have a feeling it will. We got room to 60s and 50s. Tony, what's up? The giveaways are fire. Oh, man, sorry to hear that you lost that funded account after passing it from one of the giveaways, man. Congrats, though, on passing. That's already, you know, a really good step in the right direction. Good job. You gotta celebrate the wins, man. Even if they comes with loss afterwards, celebrate those wins. Because we do focus on the loss and we learn from our losses. But we gotta celebrate the wins as well. You know, that's what keeps us in the game. All out right there, 630 bucks. Secured another payout from Take Profit Trader tonight. You will see it. Freaking love this trading stuff when it's working like it's supposed to work. Nice and clean, giving us these bearish setups. So my final target, my final take profit there was in the 60s. I got out at 67.75. Oh, both my buys were 67.75. What a coincidence, huh? All right, so what do we do here today so far? We made 100 and something on 5 Apex accounts, 630 on my take profit account. Well, one take profit account, and 957 on the My Funded Futures expert funded account. So still got more. I still got more in the tank. I could trade another Take Profit Trader Pro account that I haven't touched today. If I were able to make 700 bucks on that one, 800 bucks on that one, then that would secure a really nice payday tonight again. But we ain't gonna push it. We're not gonna push it. Do I get greedy when I'm trading? I mean, I used to for sure. The thing is that I don't look at it like that. I get aggressive. Like, I'm getting aggressive right now. I'm pushing, especially in the Take Profit Trader accounts, because they don't have consistency rules. So I'm pushing on those. I'm going after it because the problem is, look, I'll put it to you this way. January, February, March, and April, those 4 months this year have made me more money than the next, which was May, June, July, and now August. I made more money the first 4 months of the year than I have in these previous 4 months, or 3.5 months. Why? Simple. Because we were dumping. And I'm a better bear than I am bull. So when my setups are truly there, I need to attack. And I need to attack with force. Because I know that I'm going to make the bulk of the money during that time. And I know this is not going to last forever, right? Eventually, things shift. My setups aren't there as much. And I need to take smaller wins. I need to be okay with taking more losses. Not size, just losing more often, right? So when my setups are there, when the momentum is there for what I really like to trade, I got to push. Yeah, so we secured the payout for the 5th day now in a row out of Take Profit Trader. So Thursday we got a payout, Friday got a payout, Monday got a payout, Tuesday got a payout, and now today Wednesday payout. So 5 days in a row, getting at least $1,000 out of Take Profit Trader every single day. I could request $1,000 today. I'm not sure that I will. Let me see what the balance is on there. I got $3,000 in profit in there. If I take out $1,000, it takes me all the freaking way back down to $2,000. You know, I like to always leave like 22 to 2,500 bucks in there. So maybe not, you know, we'll see. If I can make another 500 bucks on the other account, then I'll request 500 bucks out of both. And just exactly keep securing that bag like Tevin said. Yeah, Andrea, you know, just try to keep it consistent. You know, I don't make, like, I'll go stretches, especially recently, like last month. Last month, I took $10,000 out of Apex and payouts. And I was making a couple $100 bucks a day. Average out more or less on those 5 Apex accounts. But now we're in a situation where I'm getting, you know, better setups. And I'm being more aggressive on Take Profit Trader because they don't have a consistency rule, right? So I'm having bigger days. 6, 7, 800, 1,000, $3,000 days. I think it was Thursday of last week I had a $3,000 day on one account. I just take what the market gives me. That's all. I don't come into trading thinking, okay, I'm going to make 100 bucks today. I'm going to make 200 bucks today. You know, I have to make $1,000 today. No, I just come in and it's going to give me, the market's going to give me what it's going to give me. Look, on my Apex accounts, I only made 150 bucks or something like that, right? That might be all I make on those Apex accounts today. That's perfectly fine. You know, I can make up to what, 900 bucks on those on a day. and still be within the consistency rule, trying to achieve payout. 1,200 bucks, I think. Trying to achieve payout, because I like personally to go for a payout on my Apex 50K accounts when I'm at 4,100 bucks, so I can take out the full 2,000. You don't have to do that. You can take a $500 payout if you want. As soon as you reach payout threshold or payout level, whatever you want to call it, I like to wait until I'm there and take the bigger payout. You know, it's a job. Trading is just a job. And we come in, we try to do our best, and that's it. Samsung, about 6 years, I want to say. I wish these props would have existed when I first started trading in this fashion. Back then, I think the only one that existed was Top Step, and it had 2 steps and a shit ton of rules. SPY is just imploding, man. Really wish it would have given another setup so I can take a third trade. And see, that's another good question. How many points do you usually aim for in NQ? I don't come looking for an exact amount of points. Like, I don't come with my day and be like, okay, you know, I gotta get 10 points. I don't do that. I wait for my setups, right? I identify, if I want to get short, I identify resistance. And then I identify my take profit zones. And as long as my take profit zones are to my stops are at least a 1-to-1, then I'll take it. You know, I mean, that might mean that I have to risk 5 points to make 5 points. You know? But generally speaking, you know, I'm not interested in anything less than 5 points. Just trying to be real, Andrea. Just being real. You know, just... Everybody wants to sell Lambos. I get it. It's flashy. It's awesome. It gets views. You know, and to a point, I do showcase, you know, a little bit of my life. No Lambos because, well, I chose a property on the water and a bigger boat. And now I'm dropping 50K on new motors for that boat. But hey, maybe one day we'll get the Lambo, right? Why not? It'll be fun. Even if I just keep it for a couple years. But I like to keep it real because a lot of people out there sell dreams to newbies. And I always tell newbies, look, man, if you are in year number 1 of trading, don't expect to get a payout. Your expectation on year 1 should be to blow up as little as possible. If somehow in year 1 you get 1 payout and you're still net negative at the end of the year, but you got 1 payout, pat yourself on the back because that's freaking amazing. Your first year trading, you're just supposed to not lose as much money as possible. You know, you're supposed to just like control that loss. You could do that with the props. You gotta set a budget. Think of it as a business. You know, I'll spend, let's just throw out a number. I'm gonna spend 250 bucks a month on prop evals. That's it. If you hit 250 bucks on week number 2, then there's no evals for you to buy on week 3 and 4 that month. No, wait until the following month. Start over. Well, Dre, if you're a consistently profitable trader, that should be a no problem for you. If you're not a consistently profitable trader, why are you trading your personal account? Buy these cheap $30, $50, $100 evals, man. And don't spend your money. Don't give your money out there to the market. Damn it. Come on. Give us a bounce back. I'd want to see a bounce back into that 80 zone, into that 23,980. If we can get a bounce back into 23,980, could be worth. Yeah, I like that. I like that 23,180. Yeah, I like that zone a lot, actually. On the hourly chart, I like it for a short there in front of that zone. Stop over it. That's what I'll be looking at next. It'll be on my Take Profit Trader account, the only other one that I haven't traded today. So I traded my funded futures expert green 900 bucks and change. Traded one Take Profit green 600 and change. Traded one, well, 5 Apex green 150 something like that. And I got one Take Profit Trader account left here. I got a bunch of Apex ones as well, but I'm only trading that set of 5 right now. So I got one Take Profit Trader funded account left. I just finished an eval today. Well, 2 days ago. I just flipped my last day today. So that'll give me 3 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. Right now I only got 2. So I still have one more here that I could trade. I'd like to get that set up there and take a trade on it. You know, it could be a good one there. Could add to the day. I do like that 80 level a lot. It's an hourly level, and you can see here clear as day on the 3-minute chart how we bounced here and here, pushed up, dropped into it, tried to hold that level as support, broke it, and we just flushed. We have yet to test that level again to see whether or not it's resistance. So I want to see if it's resistance. If it is, might take a stab at it over on the Take Profit Trader side of things. Wild stuff, Dre. Time is it? 10:37 a.m. We got at least 2 more giveaways to do. Well, 1 more giveaway that'll be done randomly, and then the trade day one. Trader's Nest calling for the pump. So I'm gonna jump in short. I'm full porting my Take Profit Trader account short against Trader's Nest pump. And this is a good level for a bounce. That's why I'm looking for that bounce into that 70-80 zone. Lines up really good with the low of the open on the SPY on that 3-minute candle. Lines up really well with that. With that level, I like that. If the momentum's still going to be strong to the downside, that would be the level to reject. Justin Wright says he can't see my trades, guys. You don't see the trade I just took there earlier? You see the ones on the screen next to NQU5? You see net position, bought, sold? I trade minis. I do trade micros from time to time, especially if the setup calls for it because my stop loss is too far away. So I'll decrease, you know, to micros to compensate for where my stop loss is at. Nah, Justin Wright's been here before. He's cool peeps. Yo, Oliver, my pleasure. If we break this low again, damn man, I feel like that'd be kind of wild to break this low again. If we get under 50, then this thing might drop really nasty. Trader's Nest still in first place, winning that trade day so far. My dude is doing that work in chat today, boys. If that 50 gives a lot of support coming in there at 50s, trying a lot of selling coming in those mid 50s as well. Tremendous tug of war. Oh, Tevin says he's coming for you, Trader's Nest. He says he wants that free trade day account. He wants to win. He wants that first place. He wants the gold medal. 50 giving you that bounce. It's trying to hold. Will this low of day break? New low on the SPY on the day. The beast. What are you laughing at? Scrolling up to chat, but I don't see it. Oh, gotcha. I see it. Go get it, Tevin. Is this like a little mini double bottom on NQ right now? SPY made a new lower day, took it right back. It's pushing. Are they just drawing in bulls in order to open a trap door? Volume so far on this bounce isn't very convincing to me. As long as we hold under 80, bears are still in control. Trader's Nest is on point today. My guy's chatting with quality stuff. You know, being at all-time highs, we're either going to see some crazy rip your face off rally with new all-time high again, or we're going to see some wild trapdoor action. Here's the push back into the 70s. Crude oil inventory's in. SPY got up and close to that zone we talked about, which was the opens low print. So when the first 3-minute candle printed on the SPY, we just got right in front of that level of that low, and now we're pulling back a little bit away from it. For the bears to remain in control, they're gonna defend that level. They have to. If that level begins to break out, then you could see the SPY get itself back to 645.25 area, which would probably bring the NQs back to 24,000 and more. So it's now or never, guys. What's gonna happen? You need all-time highs to break today? Why is that? That's right, Tevin. That's why you got to follow the rules and manage risk, you know, accordingly. You know, like today, for example, I'm moving my stop on my runners to break even rather quickly, a lot faster than I normally would, just to protect myself and protect the gains. Looks like that low a day might break there, Tevin. Can we break that low? Can we break that low and see a crazy flush? I think we might. Here she comes, testing the lows, testing the lows. 40 zone, 40 zone, 43s. Oof. She's fighting it. Bids came in. Sells come in too. 43 again. All right. It's going to probably flush through there, but I'm going to be responsible. Take that runner off there. Book another 350 bucks over on that other take profit trader account. Now I can comfortably probably book about $1,000 today in profit out of both accounts combined and still leave a little cushion in them. This is bearish action on a small time frame. And if you guys remember, a while back I spoke about this. I think it was on My Funded Futures when I was on their show, probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. I talked about this. We are in a bullish environment, right? So here, guys, little lesson. We are in a bullish environment. And if we are in a bullish environment and I get a bearish intraday setup, I'm going to be faster on those take profits because the trend could reverse in the blink of an eye. So that's why today I'm really quick. Like on my bearish setups, I'm taking profits really quick because these things could just shift like that in a moment's notice. If we were to the upside, I'd probably be holding on to that trade, that runner longer, just letting that trend work its way. But right now in the bearish setup during this bullish environment, you know, they're quick, they're in and out. Just book the profits, get out the way. 350 bucks here on this account now. I mean, hell, that's a pretty damn good day, bro. We did about $1.50 on the Apex accounts, right? That's 750 bucks if we did 5 of them. 350 on this take profit trader account. 630 on this other take profit trader account. And then where I thought I was trading take profit trader, but I ended up trading My Funded Futures, $957.88, giving me a grand total on the day of $2,688.38, of which today I will request about $1,000 out of take profit trader, which will net me 800 bucks. 800 bucks on the day to my pocket. Look at the bounce. You see why I was quicker on the take profit? Now we might hit 60 here and still reject and fade, you know? It might. But I think I'm pretty damn good on the day. Had my little red trades within the scalps. But overall, green on 1, 2, 3, on 3 individual accounts. 2 take profits, 1 My Funded Futures. And then green on 5 copy traded Apex accounts. Yo, good job, Dre, in staying disciplined and not taking sub-quality setups. We talked about the levels, guys. We said it, you know, as long as we're under 80, the shorts are in control. We talked about the break of 40. You know, I mean, I don't know what else to say. We talked about the initial short entry zone was underneath 240.20. We got that one. You know, then we did 240.10. We got that one. That one was the nicer one. And then now we got the 23,980. We got that one too. We've just been shorting, stair-stepping this thing its way down. Thanks, Andrea. Yo, Tevin, good job being green, my man. All right, so time for another giveaway. Okay, time for another giveaway. All right, we're gonna do this in total. Okay, so you guys have been here all stream long, you know, and I just went over this 2 minutes ago, so anybody can get this. The first person to answer correctly is going to win a 50K TPT eval. Now remember, you're going to type it in chat. I'm going to take a screenshot of it and I'm going to post it over in the Discord. You can go check out the Discord. It's completely free in order to confirm the winner. Because sometimes my screen is different from your screen for whatever freaking reason. We've established that multiple times when we do these types of giveaways. That's not my fault. And I have to go by my screen. Okay, so the first person to answer this correctly is going to win a 50K Take Profit Trader evaluation. If you are ready for this right now, then type all caps in chat, Jesse W, Jesse W. Type it in chat. Let me know you guys are ready and listening, ready to rock and roll and compete for this TPT 50K eval. All right, you guys are ready. Smash that like button for me, guys. Now, I just went over how many accounts I'm green on the day. I want you to tell me the correct number of individual accounts that I am green on the day. Combine them all, Apex, My Funded Futures, and Take Profit Trader. All together, how many accounts am I green on the day? Go. First person gets the right answer. I mean, first person with the right answer wins. All right. All right. So we got 5 Take Profit Traders. Okay. And then we have 1 My Funded Futures. And then we have 2 Take Profit Traders. So 8 accounts is the correct answer. And that first person to answer it correctly today was... Wait, where are you? Got 3, got 5, 3, 3, 4, 8. Trader's Nest was the person to answer it correctly first before anybody else. Congratulations, Trader's Nest. All right, there you go, my man. The beast confirmed. Yep. Trader's Nest is coming out big winner today. Not only is he green on the day, he just won a 50K TPT eval, and he's leading #1 in chat for a trade day 50K eval as well. Dude is coming out wins today. All right, do that now, Trader's Nest, so we can confirm the email. Make sure it's you, and that way I can get you that as soon as possible. All right, let me go refresh my email. All right, no email just yet, man. Do you giveaways for TPT also waive the activation fee? No idea. Other times that I've asked, they said no. I don't know right now. But regardless of that, it's still a free account, you know? So might as well take advantage of it. Okay, so let me show you something, because somebody just said Trader's Nest might as well email for trade day giveaway too, because it's too far to catch up. How to place first, second, third in chat. You can read here and it'll tell you ways that you can increase your level in chat. That's a YouTube thing. It has nothing to do with me. I don't set those rules, and I can't change them either. It's just that's the YouTube's algorithm. So you can read there and you can start to strategize a little bit. Tevin, you dropped from 2nd to 6th? What? My pleasure, Andrea. Yeah, the beast, the YouTube, the Google overlords are the ones that govern 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. They just gave that article there, and that's how they kind of like, I guess, divvy out the points. Samson coming in number 2. Samson, what'd you do to come in number 2? I feel like you just got here 15 minutes ago. Exactly, freeze free. No, but don't spam. You gotta chat. You gotta chat like, you know, for real. Don't spam. That's funny. 100% the beast. I mean, the downside move was pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. It just wasn't in easy areas to take the trades on. All right, so we got the one more giveaway to do, and it's going to be for this guy up here. Not the hat. So you don't want that. At least not the one on my head. You want the Eva. Whoa! Oh, we got a fighter. Anthem coming through with a super chat. My guy is fighting. He's like, I'm going to come through at the end, and I'm going to win. I'm going to take that first place from Trader's Nest, and it's going to be my day to shine. The fight is real. Oh! And Trader's Nest goes down. What? YouTube is the one that sets the rules. That's wild. Oh! Yo, Tevin, appreciate that, man. I appreciate the message very much. And, of course, the super chat, man. And I appreciate it as well. I clicked the wrong thing. Stop clicking things. Trying to scroll up here. And I appreciate the same from you, Anton. I was trying to give likes. The fight is real. Oh! Oh my god. Andrea's cracking up. Samson. You guys are a trip. You guys are a trip. I don't even know who's in first place now. Oh, Tevin's in first place now. Was Tevin in first place earlier? I know Trader's Nest had lost it. Did he lose it to? Yeah, he had lost it to Tevin. He had lost it to Tevin. Fight. Anton coming through again. He's like, I'm not giving up, damn it. Oh crap, man, that's hilarious. Tevin was in second, then sixth, and now he's in first. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something simple. I'm gonna give away another account. I'm good. So first place is still gonna take their trade day, but I'm gonna give away another 50K account. All right, guys. We're gonna do that one right now. We're gonna do. Oh, Anton coming through again. He is fighting tooth and nails for this account. I'm gonna give away another 50K eval, and we're gonna do this one with the random comment picker. All right, let me start getting ready for that. So I'm not going to be able to see chat here for a minute, because I got to set this up. Damn, guys, look at that 970 zone, bro. It rejected again, and look at that drop. Crap. I mean, we made good money today. No, I'm up really nice on the day. There's no reason to now be like, ah, damn it. All right, so what do we got? Trader's Nest in third place. Tevin in second. What? Who took Tevin down? Who's in first? Oh my god. What happened? I turned around and all the places have changed. Trader's Nest is in first. And you're in second. No, but Trader's Nest is in third. Okay, I don't know who's in first, but it's time for a random giveaway. For real. So random giveaway. Go here, leave a comment now, and in 5 minutes, a winner will be chosen for a 50K eval at TPT. Who was it that had won the TPT eval earlier? You were supposed to email me. I don't see an email. Oh my god, look at that drop. I don't see your email from earlier. And it's not in my junk box either. Oh, wait. I'm looking at the wrong email, bro. Okay, gotcha. What was the subject line that you put when you emailed me? Okay, it was you, Trader's Nest. What was the subject line that you put? I want to make sure it's you. Gotcha. Okay, perfect. So your 50K TPT, I have it here. I got your email, Trader's Nest, so you're good on that. So we're still fighting it out for first place. Plus, we're going to be doing a random here in the next 4 minutes. 4 minutes, we're going to be doing a random giveaway for a 50K TPT eval. And then by the end of the stream, which will be shortly after that, whoever's in first place gets trade day, end of day account as well. Yeah, when you guys comment, just come back. Let me know you commented. Post it in chat there. We got 3 minutes left. Can I please send the link again? There it is. Link in chat. Hurry up, guys. We got 3 minutes. Nah, man. It's gonna be Take Profit Trader. Hit that like button, guys. Really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algo. Thank you, the Beast. You got to go to that link. You got to go to this link in chat. Click it. Go to that old stream. Comment in the comment section. In 3 minutes, we got 3 more minutes. A winner will be chosen live in chat here. I'm going to put the screen up. You're going to see the system pick a random winner, and that person will win a 50K TPT eval. They have to be here to claim because they're going to have to email me and then confirm the email with me live in chat. If the person does not claim, then we will run it again. This is a potential bounce zone. It's looking weak though. Oh, there we go. I clicked it and now I could see. So Anthony is in first place with 800 XP. Tevin, second place, 650 XP. And the Trader's Nest, third place with 225 XP. Gustavo is in fourth place with 150 XP, and Samson is in fifth place with 150 XP. And we got quite a few people in that 150 XP range. So it's anybody's game though, but Anthony leading the pack with 800 XP right now. Top fans, first, second, and third place in chat. Chosen by the YouTube system itself. What time is it? We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left before a winner will be chosen from that link I just posted in chat. If you haven't done so already, click that link and go put a comment in that old live stream. A winner will be chosen in a few minutes. Here's the old live stream. Wow, what's happening? And here is the comment picker website. Where is it? There it is. Where we will pick the winner from. Oh, Anthony is securing. He's like, nah. Good Lord. He's like, nah, fam. This is about me. I'm taking it home today. He just got himself a total of 950 XP now. Crazy. My guy said that this account belongs to him. Andrea coming through saying, say my name. So there it is, Andrea. How are you? Are you green today? Oh, Trader's Nest coming in through again. Bro, the fight is insane right now with you guys. But not enough to take first place away yet. You guys, you read that link. I'm going to post it again here for you because I haven't read through it fully. Where the freaking hell is it? Here we go. The live leaderboard thing. Read through it. There might be some other stuff in here that'll help you move up in the standings. All right, so it is time. Where is it? Let me make sure you guys can see the screen. All right, it is time now to pick a winner. So we're going to go ahead and refresh this page. Get that link. Here are the comments. They keep on coming. We're going to come on over here. Close that ad. What is this? Go away. Doesn't go away. We will put the link here. Add comment replies. Filter duplicate users. Can't be slick. I think the correct answer is 3. Let's get those YouTube comments. Scroll on down and let's start the raffle pick. It is iTrade, and the winner is going to be Super Mario Sunshine 888. I don't think I've ever seen you here. Maybe yeah, I think once. So congratulations. Are you in chat? Super Mario Sunshine 888. Anthony coming through again with another super chat. Oh my god. Oh my god, Tevin just took over. Tevin has 1,150 XP points. He's in first place. Second place is Anthony with 1,050 XP points, and Trader's Nest at 875. The fight is real. Super Mario, you're there. It's a me, Mario. All right, Super Mario. Freaking love your screen name. Super Mario, email me right now your TPT email address to info@thedaytraderchat.com. So there you go. Click that. Send me an email right now. Let's confirm your subject line. P-Doggy, they ain't spending nowhere near what a trade day account would cost, because a trade day account with my code right now, 50K eval, end of day account, an end of day account, which is what they're going to get for free, is $99. If you do the intraday drawdown one, then yeah, it's 57 or 59 bucks, but the end of day is 99. There is no activation fee. So guys, if you're interested in starting out and trading with Trade Day, 40% off right now, $0 activation fee, coupon code all caps JESSEW. 99 bucks for the end of the day. Go with the end of the day. Don't get the intraday. Full forward long 7. Super Mario, let me know if you sent that email out. All right. That was a good trading day for sure. Super Mario, did you send me the email? Yeah, there's a lot of selling going on here. We're at major support zone here, 900. If this level, I'd expect a bounce here. Not a bounce recovery day, but a bounce, maybe a shortable bounce. I feel like looking at this hourly chart, 23,850 zone is in play. All right, it is time to announce the winner of the 50K trade day evaluation. First place in chat today via actively chatting. I mean, you guys were freaking amazing because you were actively chatting. Good chats too, not BS. And then you did your super chats, and oh, Anthony came through again. Oh, Anthony with 1200 XP, and it's getting crazy here down to the wire. Oh my god, and the NQ down through 900, 23,900, going through breaking volume. Let me see here, volume increasing just slightly, not a whole lot. Good volume though. This could be the moment in time where you could see something like a pierce. Whoa, what happened to my screens? Something where you could see what is happening to my screens. Something where you can see like a pierce through that level and then a quick little pop and recovery. Trap some more bulls before you see further downside. I mean, I'd expect the SPY to fill the gap, which is very close to it. I mean, honestly, you could be at levels here. NQ has room to 50, okay? It has room to 50. It doesn't have to touch 50, but it has room to it. You could be looking at levels here pretty soon where we might start to see a little bit of a recovery, a little bit of chop start to set in place. Anyways, back to what is happening. Tevin coming through with the fight. All right, so Super Mario, I think I got your... Oh, yeah, that's definitely you, bro. I already saw the emoji you used. Super Mario, I got your email, brother. I got your email. You're good. It was you, right? With the mushroom in the subject line, Super Mario? Turn around for 1 second to look at that drop. Tevin coming in through, fighting with Anthony. Anthony says, I'm amazing. No, Anthony, you are amazing. All of you guys are actually amazing. All of you guys are actually amazing. And Super Mario, yep, that was you. Perfect. So I got you. The Beast, have a good night, brother, over there in the land of down under. Fungus TTV coming in. What's up, my man? Let's go, Super Mario. I got you. Taken care of. Anthony, 1,950 XP. Tevin, 1,650 XP. It is time to announce this winner, and the winner is Anthony. Anthony winning the trade day eval. Congratulations to Anthony. Guys, you guys were crazy today. You really fought it out with quality chats, and you came through with super chats trying to make it, you know, give yourself a little bit of a lead. I'm gonna post in chat again here for you guys. This is how you get first, second, and third on here. Nothing to do with me. I don't pick any of this crap. I don't even frankly know exactly how it works because I haven't read through that entire article. But you guys as viewers of my stream and others might as well read that and, you know, learn how first, second, and third place wins. Why haven't I really bothered to look into it? Because first, second, and third place, I don't pick them. I don't pick them at all. It's not fair. I mean, it's not. It's YouTube. What do you mean it's not fair? You gotta be joking, Trader's Nest. There's no way. Especially after you already won an account today. Yo, Tevin, I really appreciate that, man. You know, I really do. I appreciate the support. All that, what it does is, it makes it so that YouTube actually sees my stream and says, damn it, man, people really like this guy. People really like the stream, and they push it out to more people. I want you guys to understand something. The more people watch the stream, and the more people watch my videos, the more ins I get with these prop firms, which means the more giveaways I get to do. You remember when I used to do just one account per stream? That's it. I gave away one. That's all I could do. That's all I had. We're doing 3 to 6 account giveaways per stream. Have you realized that? I don't know if you have. And we're doing giveaways on all my videos. And I do random giveaways on Twitter and random giveaways in the comment section, or not the comment section, the community section of my channel as well. It's because of you guys supporting the channel. You're making the channel grow, which in turn makes the props firms be like, shit, man, we got to hook up Jesse more for his community, which then I could trade these accounts if I wanted to myself, but I don't. I give them right back to you guys. Trader's Nest. I figured he was, man, because Trader's Nest is one of the good ones. I can imagine he was like, it's not fair. I figured. There was no way Trader's Nest would be sour. No way. There's no way. So yeah, guys, as long as you keep supporting the channel, that's how it works. So I really appreciate you guys very much. And I know you guys appreciate what I do. Pete. ¿Qué pasó? P Doggy. I stream once a week right now. I upload videos Mondays and Thursdays. Get ready for tomorrow's video. It's a banger. So I stream once a week, Wednesdays 9:15 a.m. In the fall, I'm going to extend that to maybe 2 to 3 streams a week, different times. But the Wednesday 9:15 a.m. crew will stand strong right here. All right, so you won 2 today's Trader's Nest? I thought you only won 1 today. I know you've won in the past. Anthony, your message? What message? Your email? You emailed me already? If you did, Anthony, if you emailed me already for your trade day email, your trade day giveaway, please let me know right now the subject line of that email. Anthony, you can definitely pass that account to somebody else in chat, brother. It's your account. You can do whatever you want with it. But we need to square that away right now. No, we're not going to even... Yeah. We'll square it away right now. Who do you want to give that account to? Are they here in the stream right now? Oh, Trader's Nest, you got an Apex one from the random earlier today, plus the Take Profit Trader. Dude! Guys, Anthony wants to give away his account. What? He just gave it away to Samson. Samson, are you here? Brother, what? That is huge, guys. Guys. Put the letter A in chat for Anthony right now as support for Anthony's show. That's like an applause. Put the letter A in chat right now for Anthony. That is mighty kind of you, Anthony. Mighty kind. Samson, email me right now. That is wild, bro. This is exactly what I want out of this community, bro. Like I've been trying for so long to build this type of community, and it's so awesome to finally see it happen. Like a community that's not all bullshit and boastful and arrogant. You know what I mean? That helps each other. Hey, we can poke fun at each other. I love it. I'm #1 at that. How many times did you guys say today, oh, I'm getting long? And I was like, whoop, it's a sign for me to get short. I was just banging, you know, just messing around. But like that stuff is fine. You know, we can talk about money. We can even show off a little bit. But it's about our attitude. It's about what we're really here for. And that's to help each other. And I freaking love it. That is amazing, Anthem. Thank you very much, brother. I'm sure everybody loved that. Samson, make sure to send me that email right now, please, so that we can confirm your email. And then I can get that giveaway sent to you. That's what's up, Tevin. Exactly, bro. Exactly. All right, Samson. Okay, what's the subject line, Samson? Okay, Samson, I'm sending you, because it's a code, I'm sending you the code right now. I'm sending you the code, I'm sending you the link as well. So you can click that link, go to your trade day. make sure that you choose a 50K end of day account. That's the only way it's going to work. Okay? And use that code and you'll be good to go, bro. Email sent, brother. Anthony, you too, man. That was amazing of you. Bro, that God's going to give you that watch 10 times. 10 times, my man. You're going to have an amazing day rest of the week. Guys, freaking great stream. Like that right there, what we just saw happen right here. Really, I even forgot about the profits I've made on the day. That's what's up. That's the type of message that I want this channel to be about, that I want our stream to be about, that I want our community to be about. That right there, helping each other. You're always going to see the nice side of me. Unless somebody, you know, does something stupid, and then you're going to see the other side. But outside of that, you're always going to see the guy that's funny, that's joking, that's laughing, that's smiling, and that's poking fun at you and at myself. You guys have seen me make fun of my own self here. But the number one thing you're going to see is you're going to see me take time to help you. And I want to see you guys do the same with each other because it's freaking great. That's what it's all about. All right. Tomorrow, brand new video drops 11 a.m. And we'll be back on Monday with another video again around 11 a.m. Wednesday of next week, 9:15 a.m. stream. And then Thursday of next week, a brand new video again. Guys, any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you're green today, make sure to keep it green. So manage your risk accordingly. I think we might have a little bit more downside, maybe. Although that area we talked about for support is holding up fairly damn good. It's an hourly level, so be careful. If that does break, we could see a little bit more downside, but it could get choppy as well. So just manage your risk accordingly. Be careful with your entries. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you guys very much for participating in chat. And until the next one, peace.